Okay, there are a few things that you have to understand when you're doing a question like this. This is a basic work rate question. When you're doing a work rate question, you need to find out basically what it's asking. In this case, Paul, who's person 1, can complete a job in 2 hours. Aaliyah, who's person 2, can complete a job in 3 hours. How long will it take them to complete one inventory? And that's the key piece here. They're going to work together. So you'd expect their time working together to be less than either 2 or 3, because if Paul can do it in 2 hours and somebody else is helping him, that time should be lower than 2. So the way that I want you to set this up, and this will work for any of these work rate questions, is you have person 1's work, which is this first fraction, plus person 2's work, which is the second, and set it equal to 1. Now, the reason we're setting it equal to 1 is because they're doing one inventory. The next thing you're going to do is always put the total time they work together in the numerator. Now, we don't know how much or how long it's going to take them to complete. That's what we're asking here. So let's just put the total time as X. We don't know how long it's going to take. The next thing you're going to do with each of these fractions is in the bottom, you're going to put their solo times together. So this first one is Paul. He can do the job in 2 hours. And the second one will be Aaliyah, who can do the job in 3 hours. From here, you're going to use the rules of fractions. You're going to use LCM, cancel out those denominators, and then you're going to solve for X. So LCM between 2 and 3 is 6. Multiply that by 6. Multiply that one by 6, and don't forget anything you do to the left side, you also have to do to the right. Looking at this, you can use canceling. 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. 3 times x is simply 3x. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times x is 2x. And then 1 times 6 is 1, gives you 6. From there, combine like terms, 3x plus 2x is 5x. 5x equals 6. Divide by 5 on each side to solve for x. X in this case will be 1 and 1/6 hours, since it's a word problem. You could leave it as that, or you could convert it to a decimal. It doesn't really matter. Just read the directions and what exactly the question is asking. It doesn't specify here, so I'm going to leave it like that. Again, that is the total time that these two people working together can complete the inventory. And it makes sense because the number is less than 2, which was the smaller number, which was Paul. Work rate. There you go.